You're calming, and this moment is just for you. Tonight, I'll be gently cleaning your ears. Slowly, softly, carefully. Helping you drift into the deepest sleep you've ever had. So close your eyes, take a slow breath in, and let it out gently. I want you to imagine that you are lying down, wrapped in your coziest blanket. The room is dim, quiet, peaceful. Only the soft sounds of my voice and the ear cleaning tools surround you. You are completely at ease. Let me begin with the left ear. Soft brushing sounds. Do you feel that gentle touch? Like a feather gliding across your skin. I'm just brushing the outer part of your ear. In tiny circles. Nice and slow. Each movement designed to calm you. To soothe you. To whisper to your brain. It's time to relax. Now, let's gently remove any dust or buildup from around the ear. Light tapping and cleaning sounds. It's amazing how much tension we carry in the smallest places. Even your ears deserve love, care, gentleness. And as I clean, you might start to feel a light tingling sensation. That's your body responding, saying, yes, this is what I needed. Let go of your worries. Let go of the noise. Let me take care of you. Now we go a little deeper. Soft squishy and scraping sounds begin. Into the ear canal, very slowly. Very gently. There's no rush. We're not just cleaning your ears tonight. We're clearing your mind. Every stroke, every tiny sound, is designed to bring you closer to stillness. You are so relaxed now. Maybe your eyes are getting heavier. That's okay. You don't have to stay awake. You can fall asleep whenever you like. I'll still be here, whispering, brushing, cleaning. Let me move to your right ear now. Microphone pans gently from left to right. Do you feel the shift? The sensation moving. You're in perfect balance. Both ears being loved, cared for. Let's brush this side now. Brushing sounds resume on the right side. In slow, soft circles. Barely touching, but enough for your brain to notice. To slow down. To surrender. You've done so much today. You've thought, worked, worried, lived. Now is your time. No pressure. No expectations. Just stillness. I'm going to use a little